and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a delicious pizza dough. For our ingredients, we have warm water, dry yeast, sugar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and all-purpose flour. We're going to pour our water into a large bowl, and we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to mix it up. And then we're going to sprinkle our yeast on the top. You want to let it stand until it is foamy for about 5 minutes. Once it is foamy, we're going to add in our oil and our salt, and we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to combine it with our flour. And we're just going to mix everything together, and we're going to mix this until a sticky dough forms. We're going to turn it out on a lightly floured work surface, and we're going to gently knead until everything is combined, forming it into a round dough ball. And once everything is combined, you want to add some olive oil to our bowl, and we're going to cover our dough with the oil. We're going to cover it with plastic, and we're going to set it aside in a warm, draft-free place until the dough has doubled in size for about an hour. Once our dough has doubled in size for an hour, we're going to punch it down. We're going to turn our dough onto a lightly floured work surface and gently knead 1 to 2 times. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to use 1/2 for our pizza, and you could freeze it at this time if you would like. You could use or store as is for 1 large pizza, or you could divide it into 4 equal portions for individual pizzas. And that's our pizza dough. Today we made pizza dough. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like videos like this and recipes and you want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.